No. I can't talk to you anymore. Okay? Even if I can't talk to you anymore, because we are an alcoholic person. We do take up country pack of wine. But there should not be any kind of circumstances in our life.
કેટલું ભણેલો? કેટલું ભણેલો?
I have done PTC diploma in the year of 1998 to 2002 years.
ક્યાં કરેલું? કામ ભણેલો? કામ ભણેલો? કામ ભણેલો?
अरे तुला नाही बोलता आवडत. तू उगीच बीज. Okay, bro. I have done PTC diploma in the year of 1998 to 2000 years at Panchgini, nearby Mahabaleshwar.
ક્યાં રહેવા?